Do subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like the one which is about to begin. Hello folks, this is Aditya Rajha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we are going to unbox and review the TVS Gold USB Bharat keyboard. So this is one of those mechanical keyboards which is one of the cheapest, best in class, comes with Cherry MX blue switches and the keycaps are quite good on this one. The overall design also for this keyboard feels good, has an ergonomic feel, and if you look at the cable itself, it's quite long. At the back you get the date of manufacturing and the TVS Gold keyboard along with the serial number for this one and a proud made in India sticker. So if you look closely, one of the major cons that I found was that the point at which the cable comes out from the keyboard is not properly secured, and if you are somebody who is careless or uses his cables without watching carefully, you might break it. And let's talk about the gaming experience and other things on this one. So I gamed a lot using this keyboard, and the first experience of mine was that it's quite smooth. The tactile feedback is quite good. Earlier I was using the Redragon Kumara K552 keyboard, and switching from that, the keyboard experience is not that bad, though I felt that that keyboard was a little bit more clicky, but this one also is quite good. And now let's hear the mechanical keyboard sound for this one. So guys, one of the good things about the TVS keyboard is that it's a full-fledged keyboard with a numpad also. Earlier the keyboard that I was using, the Redragon Kumara K552, did not have a numpad, and that was a major con for that one. But this keyboard does not come with something like LED lighting, and it might be difficult for novice users or beginners to use it at night time. And it also comes with a retractable mechanism, so you can prop it up to a more inclined height, and that makes the experience a little bit more better. It's quite ergonomic, and if you look at it closely, the keys are shaped very nicely, and I feel that for a price of around 1700 to 2300, this is one of the best mechanical keyboards out there. I said a low price of 1700 because I got it offline from Nehru Place for 1700 rupees, but you can buy it online from Amazon.in for 2300 rupees if you can't buy it from a nearby local market at the place you live. And I feel that for the price, it's really a value for money keyboard, offers a great amount of features, but the fact that it does not come in a proper box, and when you buy offline, the chances of having a bad key or some errors increase exponentially. So I would recommend you guys to buy it from a known place. And other than that, I feel that the keyboard is quite good and among the best in class for low budget mechanical keyboards. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, do smash the thumbs up button, do subscribe to our channel, and do take part in our current giveaway. The link is down below. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.